Trying something different for this video here, we have my American Racing headers that I had ceramic coated, my Corsa exhaust that I paired up with it. It's a 3-inch system. So to do this, you have to jack the motor up, take the valve covers off. Once you get all that done, the driver's side comes out a lot easier than the passenger side. The passenger side is a lot less space to work with, but it's not impossible. Basically, what I did was once I was able to move the manifold freely, I ended up having to Dremel off the heat shield on the bottom of the manifold, which made it slide right out. Once I did that, basically doing everything in reverse with the American Racing headers, everything went in as it should, fairly simple. Once I did all that, buttoned everything up, and I did a start for the first time. Since the car still had its original spark plugs and plug wires, I went ahead and changed those. So I put in some Iridium spark plugs and some Moroso plug wires. Yeah, it's much louder than the Mopar exhaust.